It's a double story, single story with an attic. So our team, myself and 2 other technicians, you can see 2 of the trucks down there, are going to work on this one. So these are concrete tiles. We'll be cleaning these and painting these as well in coming days. As you can see, the roof itself is ginormous. It's big, and our technicians are up and ready. We do wear all the harnesses and everything when we work. Use all the safety documents and everything whatnot that needs to be done to carry out work safely around the roof. Doesn't matter how big, how tall, how steep the roof is, we can clean them up and paint them as well. We also do repointing and other roof repairs too. Yeah, if you want your roof to be cleaned, give us a call at 02 900 1133. I'll show you the process and the progress of this roof cleaning. I'll try to keep do a video as much as I can, and so to keep you updated. Again, it's a roof cleaning and painting that we're going to do in O'Malley today for a Nepal embassy, and myself and two other technicians from Pressure Clean will be washing this roof. It's gonna be a good day. The sun's bright, and let's see how it goes.